Hello, welcome back to the channel, Project Clark 123. So, I tried getting bolts out. I tried drilling them, and I was like, it's not working. So now I got these, and I literally just thought, what if, by what so coincidence, hang on a second. Went like that and turned like that. I was like, what coincidence? So I might as well just try it, and it went. Then I kept unscrewing it, and they both come out exactly the same. I unscrewed it like that. I danced around my garden. Happy days. Can we have a little thumbnail? Woohoo! Done it. And all by myself. Woohoo! Yeah!